Make a great choice today with
the 2023 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, rear-wheel drive, inside you'll find steering wheel controls, push-button start, power outlet, great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.